Welcome back to AI Pulse Trends, and today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in tech, generative AI's expansion across industries. From creating breathtaking art to revolutionizing healthcare, finance, and even manufacturing, generative AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Imagine a world where machines don't just follow instructions but invent, design, and innovate alongside us. That's the power of generative AI, and it's spreading fast. In this video, we'll explore how this technology works, which industries it's transforming, and what it means for the future. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a business owner, or just curious about where the world is heading, stick around. This is going to blow your mind. We've got a packed script today, so grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump into the wild, creative, and sometimes mind-boggling world of generative AI. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the basics. Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that creates new content. Think text, images, music, videos, code, and even 3D models. Unlike traditional AI, which analyzes data or follows rules, generative AI learns patterns from massive datasets and then generates something original. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are prime examples, and they're powered by advanced models like transformers and diffusion techniques. It's like giving a machine a creative brain. It doesn't just mimic, it invents. And this ability is why generative AI is exploding across industries. So, where exactly is it making waves? Let's break it down. Creative industries, art and entertainment. First up, the creative world. If you've scrolled social media lately, you've probably seen AI-generated art, vibrant paintings, surreal landscapes, even photorealistic portraits, all made by algorithms. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney let artists input a simple prompt like a cyberpunk city at sunset, and boom, an image appears in seconds. This isn't just a toy for hobbyists, it's disrupting professional fields. Graphic designers are using it to brainstorm concepts, filmmakers are crafting storyboards, and advertising agencies are generating campaign visuals faster than ever. Healthcare, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Now let's shift gears to healthcare, one of the most impactful areas for generative AI. Developing new drugs used to take years and billions of dollars, but AI is flipping the script. Companies like In Silico Medicine are using generative models to design molecules for potential drugs. Here's how it works. The AI studies existing compounds, predicts how they'll interact with diseases, and then generates new molecular structures that could work even better. It's like a chemist on steroids, except it's faster and cheaper. In 2024 alone, AI-designed drugs entered clinical trials at record speed. Beyond drugs, generative AI is personalizing medicine. Imagine a patient with a rare condition. AI can analyze their genetic data and generate tailored treatment plans. Radiology's getting a boost too. AI tools are creating synthetic medical images to train doctors without compromising patient privacy. Even mental health apps are using AI to generate calming audio or therapy scripts based on user input. It's saving lives and cutting costs, but it's not perfect. Ethical questions about data privacy and AI errors are still in play. Finance, risk analysis, and fraud detection. Next stop, finance. Banks and investment firms are all in on generative AI. One big use, risk analysis. AI models can simulate market scenarios, think what happens if inflation spikes, and generate predictions to guide investments. Hedge funds are using it to create trading algorithms that adapt in real time. It's like having a crystal ball, but powered by data. Fraud detection's another win. Generative AI can create fake transaction data to train systems to spot real scams. Companies like MasterCard are already using this to catch fraud faster than humans ever could. And for customer service? Chatbots powered by generative AI are writing personalized responses, explaining your bank statement, or even helping you refinance a loan. The financial world thrives on speed and accuracy, and generative AI delivers both, though regulators are scrambling to keep up with the tech's rapid rise. Manufacturing and engineering, design and optimization. Let's talk manufacturing. Generative AI is redesigning how we build things, literally. In engineering, it's called generative design. Companies like Autodesk use AI to create thousands of design options for products, say a car part or a bridge, based on parameters like weight, strength, and cost. The AI spits out designs humans might never think of, then engineers pick the best one. It's cutting production time and waste, making industries greener and leaner. In factories, AI is generating maintenance schedules by predicting when machines will fail. It's even optimizing supply chains. Think generating the perfect delivery route to save fuel. Aerospace giants like Boeing are using it to design lighter, stronger aircraft parts. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now, and it's pushing manufacturing into a new era of efficiency. Education, personalized learning, and content creation. Education's getting an AI makeover too. Generative AI is creating custom lesson plans for students. Imagine a kid struggling with math. AI generates practice problems tailored to their weak spots, complete with explanations. Platforms like Duolingo are already using it to craft language exercises. Teachers are saving time too. AI can write quizzes, worksheets, even entire textbooks based on a curriculum. For higher education, AI's generating research summaries or drafting essays, though that's got professors worried about cheating. And in corporate training, companies are using AI to create virtual simulations. Think a salesperson practicing with an AI-generated customer. It's making learning interactive and accessible, but it's also raising questions about over-reliance on tech in the classroom. Retail and e-commerce, product design, and customer experience. Retail's another big player. Ever wonder how brands churn out trendy products so fast? Generative AI's behind it. Fashion companies are using tools like Stitch Fix's algorithms to design clothes based on customer preferences and trends. AI can generate 3D models of shoes or jackets, letting designers tweak them before production. On the customer side, AI's enhancing shopping. Chatbots generate product recommendations, like try this jacket with those jeans, while virtual try-on tools create realistic previews. Amazon's using generative AI to write product descriptions that sound human but scale instantly. It's personalizing the experience and boosting sales, though some worry it's making shopping too automated. Legal and professional services, automation and insight. Even lawyers aren't safe from generative AI. Firms are using it to draft contracts, summarize case law, or generate legal arguments. Tools like Harvey AI can analyze a case and spit out a briefing in minutes, what used to take hours. It's not replacing lawyers yet, but it's making them more efficient. In consulting, AI's generating market reports or business strategies based on data inputs. Imagine a CEO asking, "Should we expand to Asia?" AI crunches the numbers and writes a detailed plan. It's a productivity booster, but it's also sparking debates about AI's role in high-stakes decision-making. The challenges and ethical concerns. Okay, so generative AI sounds amazing, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk challenges. First, there's the job question. Will AI replace artists, writers, or engineers? Some say it's a tool, others call it a threat. Then there's bias. AI learns from data, and if that data's flawed, the output can be too. Think racist text or skewed financial models. Misinformation's a huge issue. Deepfakes and AI-generated fake news are spreading fast, and it's hard to tell what's real. Copyright's another mess. Who owns AI art? The human who prompted it or the machine? And in healthcare or finance, errors could cost lives or fortunes. Regulations lagging behind. Privacy's at risk too. All that data feeding AI has to come from somewhere. These hurdles aren't stopping the expansion, but they're shaping how we use it. The future of generative AI across industries. So where's this all heading? The future's wild. In 5 years we might see AI designing entire cities, curing diseases we can't crack today, or producing Oscar-winning films. Industries will blend. Think healthcare meeting entertainment with AI therapy games. Collaboration's key, humans and AI working together, not against each other. The market's booming too. Experts predict generative AI will add trillions to the global economy by 2030. Startups are popping up daily, and big players like Google, Microsoft, and xAI, shout out to my creators, are doubling down. But it's not just about money, it's about reimagining how we work, create, and live. The expansion's just beginning, and it's up to us to steer it right. Wow, what a journey. Generative AI's expansion across industries isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. From the brushstrokes of digital art to the molecules of life-saving drugs, this technology is rewriting the rules. Let's recap. In creative fields, it's unleashing imagination at lightning speed. In healthcare, it's accelerating discoveries and personalizing care. Finance is getting smarter, manufacturing more efficient, education more tailored, retail more engaging, and even law is stepping into the future. It's hard to find an industry that isn't being touched by generative AI, but it's not flawless. The ethical challenges, jobs, bias, misinformation, privacy, they're real, and they demand attention. We're at a crossroads. Do we let AI run wild, or do we guide it with purpose? I believe it's the latter. Generative AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to amplify us. Think of it as a partner, one that sparks ideas, solves problems, and pushes boundaries we didn't even know existed. The key is balance, harnessing its power while keeping humanity in the driver's seat. Looking ahead, the possibilities are endless. We're on the brink of breakthroughs that could redefine society, smarter cities, healthier lives, richer creativity, but it's up to us, innovators, policymakers, and everyday people to shape that future. So what do you think? Are you excited about generative AI's expansion, or does it make you nervous? Maybe both. This tech is evolving fast, and here at AI Pulse Trends, we'll keep you in the loop every step of the way. The age of generative AI is here, and it's only getting bigger, bolder, and more brilliant. Stick with us as we explore what's next. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into generative AI's expansion across industries. If you loved this video, hit that like button. It really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Pulse Trends and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the wild world of AI. Share this with your friends who geek out over tech. They'll thank you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Did you enjoy this video? What do you think about AI's role in our future? Got any suggestions for more AI topics you want me to cover? Drop them below. I read every one. Whether it's AI ethics, quantum computing, or something totally out there, I'm all ears. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep pulsing with AI trends.